Hey everyone, Mr. Slaby here, just with a few tips on doing some searches for your books today. Should take you the whole time, and you should be working independently. This is for you. I know that you're already forming your book groups with your friends and pals, but really, this is about you choosing what you want to read. The discussions will happen. It doesn't matter who's in your group. If you're interested in the book, you will have great group discussions. All right, first thing I would go to, one of the most, I think, useful sites is www.goodreads.com, and there it is. A little forewarning, you might have to sign up. It might ask you to sign up, and if you want to, it's great. You can just put in your name, your email, and then you can also just design a password. It will ask you if you can sign up through Google as well. So if you look a little bit, you could find that little G, and then that would be easy to just sign in. It'll just punch you through. So ultimately in Goodreads, the first thing you have here is your search bar. So I'm going to type in a book title, Soul Surfer. All right. There it is. Something pops up, and I've got Soul Surfer. It even has a study guide. I'm not worried about that. I click on the book. And what I'm looking for is the ratings. All right, so right here, this is important. First off, look at how many ratings there are. There's 574. That's a lot. All right, that's a pretty good number of people that have taken time to review this book. Then I look at rating details. This breaks down how many people are rating it at what. So I got 277 people rating it 5 stars. I have 170 rating it at 4 stars. That's still really good. 15% of 90 people said 3 stars. And really, if you do the averages, only 5% of people in a total of 37 have given it 2 or 1 stars. This is good news. This means this book's probably a really good read. So that's the breakdown. Now I can go into the reviews. So I can click on reviews, and it goes right to all the reviews. It's actually just a little bit lower down here, right here. So there it is as well. So these are people who are actually talking about the book. That's very helpful. Read 5, 6, 7 reviews. Get an idea what the book's about. Another way to do this is actually simply going to Amazon. You can do the same thing with Amazon. They have lots of people who review. So I'll type in Soul Surfer. All right. And I bet you the movie comes up. It does. And there's the movie. But there's the book. So you might have to do a little searching. So I look at the book. All right. Again, same thing here. 370 custom reviews. On average, 4.5 stars. And if you click on it, look at it shows that you have another breakdown of how many people are rating it. So again, if I click on custom reviews, I can go down and start reading some of the reviews. And you can always get to more. So there's some reviews. And this sometimes comes from larger organizations. So that's pretty helpful too. One last one, teen reads. It's a little harder to find because it's not as easy. The search bar for books is right here. And if you don't see the title right away, it might take a little bit of digging, but you're welcome to look at it because teen reads is for kids by kids. So not a lot of adults involved in this one. That's my recommendation. Then you have the good old internet itself. If you want to search up Soul Surfer, you might find stuff that takes you to Wikipedia, or it might take you to, like there it says film, right? I don't want to read that review. I want to read the book review. I don't want to read stuff about her. So you can always do some general searching. All right, the ball's in your court. Happy digging. Hopefully you find out more about your books. And at the end of class, you will get a survey to pop up on Classroom, and that's when you take it, when you're informed, not when you don't know anything more than what I gave you. Don't trust me. Dig deeper. Good luck.